my video. On this video we can't fix radio or whatever. On this video we will be cook. So I cook tradition Czech dish like schnitzel, český řízek. So let's go. So breadcrumb, flour, garlic, salt and oil. Best is oil, olive oil and pork. I like pork. So let's go. So firstly, pork. Nice fat. So we're using pork. Some are using turkey, fish. In Czech Republic or Germany, pork. Because this is tradition Central European food. Yeah. So this is schnitzel. So use the salt. Make sure and properly. Another side. That's it. And garlic. Okay, garlic we have ready. So let's go. I don't think so. So let's get garlic. We are ready. So a little bit. No more, just a little bit. Yeah, wait, I make better angle after. Yeah, that's it. Nicely spread. Right. And now, main procedure. Okay. There's no more lights there. Oops. Peek. Also using salt only. Okay, another plate. I don't like doing schnitzels. This is lots of waste. Lots of waste. Lots of waste dish of the dish. So I don't like doing it, you know. This is only special for my friends and for this video. Of course, they're in England, they don't trust me. Right, tongs. I don't need make dirty hands. Of course, tongs is not here because we want to do right. Keep right. So get the meat. Make the flour. Yeah, flour first. Make sure we don't need mop for flour. We need nice big one. That's what we long doing. Alright. Maybe my hands don't follow me. So sorry. Make sure keep egg everywhere. I have trouble with hands, so sorry. My hands is no follow me. I have new trouble. Rumble. Rumble, rumble. Make sure I'm properly here. Yep, that's it. This is now good to crumble. I like using the from the Polish shop, the European crumble. It's much better from sticks or whatever, from bread. Okay, bread from each side, and there we are. Here is schnitzel. So here is ready the schnitzel. Let's see. So let's go and bring to pan. You see that? Nice structure. Yep. So adjust pan. Of course, everything at the side. This is normal. So use only olive, yeah? Don't fucking shit sunflower. Sunflower is for car, for diesel engines, no for cooking. We're using sunflower oil. This is pig paste. Yep. So let's go. Oh, so it's really hot. No, not much hot. And wait when we're done. So best option 15 minutes. Don't do fast. Don't using fryer and anything like that. I'm using the saucepan. This is best option. Usually in Czech Republic I'm using fat oil from the pork, but here I can't get fat oil, so I'm using olive oil. So 15 minutes late. Nice and slowly. Come. What have we done? It's a little bit small. This is good schnitzel, you see? No burn, nicely brown. Yeah? No red. If red, it's like, it's burned. Yeah, it's a burn. Nicely. That's it. Well, after 15 minutes, right. That's it. Schnitzel done. So here it is. Here is our schnitzel. Look at that. Nicely browny. It's like honey. You see that? So this is schnitzel, the Middle European tradition schnitzel, pork schnitzel. Yeah. So look at this, how is size. Ooh. Nice. Look at that. You see the size? No burn. Wow. Now let's try taste. PBP. Oh, it's not a good knife, of course. Oh, nicely. Do you see that? Really easily you got in. No more power. So this is correct, you see? Oops. You see the meat? No rough. Yeah, see? Yeah, that's the schnitzel. Look at the size. Yep. Yeah. So that's always from my cooking. If you like my video, give me thumbs up and see on next time from my kitchen. So have a good one. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye. Excellent. Yep. Pork schnitzel. Cheers.